Right, bydd mwy gan Hefin a Liz and the rest of the crew later on in the year, definitely.
Reit te, pwy sydd nesa ar y soffa?
Loving a little dance, give us a clue, Nia.
Who's next? Reit te, mae o'n ddyn.
Ddyn.
Efo llais cryf tenor.
Tenor, he's a singer. He's a tenor singer.
Ydy. Mae'n dod o Gyfyrddin.
Gyfyrddin.
Wyt ti'n gwybod beth ydy cymharu? What does cymharu mean?
Compare. I've got this.
Dyna'r clue.
Dyna'r clue. Dyma Wynne Evans. Hey!
Yay!
Here he is.
Glad you've invested in a clapping machine anyway.
Croeso.
How is your Welsh, Wynne?
I think I've got a fair amount of Welsh, but I lack the confidence to take that final leap.
Iawn.
And I think lots of people do, to kind of speak Welsh.
Yeah.
You know, being prepared to making a complete fool of yourself. And the more you learn, the more you realise there's more to mess up, really. And so that's where I'm at.
But messing up is part of it. That's the biggest thing that I learned.
I'm scared, though, to mess up.
Yeah, I'm good at messing up, I'll be all right.
You're not scared of messing up.
Have no fear.
A dwi'n meddwl, I think that's the mistake lot o bobl sy'n dysgu Cymraeg make, is they think, once I'm fluent, I'll start to speak. Whereas really, you need to kind of know a few words and just jump in straight away and just dechrau siarad, isn't it? Do you think?
I think so. And both the kids speak Welsh with me, and they go to Welsh school, but they won't speak Welsh to me. I'm hoping, though, that being on this show as well will, like, say to all the other parents, you know, I'm trying to learn Welsh, so speak Welsh to me and I'll make a fool of myself. So,
nes di'r penderfyniad, you made the decision to send your children to a Welsh school bod ti ddim yn rhugl, even though you weren't fluent, which is, you know, a decision lots of people make nowadays, and they? So you kind of, and like you'll be learning with your child, isn't there?
Well, and as well, come from Carmarthen, which is like a real strong, you know, got a hold on the Welsh language down there. I feel like a bit of a fool because I don't speak Welsh. Both my parents spoke Welsh, and for some reason I kind of missed out. So
why did you miss out?
I've no idea, really.
So, oedd dy fam a dy dad yn siarad Cymraeg?
Yeah.
That's really interesting.
Oedden nhw'n siarad Cymraeg gyda'i gilydd? Did they speak Welsh to each other?
Yeah, occasionally, yeah. But we went to English schools, and it wasn't the fashion then, you know.
Yeah.
I think I just missed out on that time where it suddenly became fashionable to send your children to Welsh school. And I've regretted it ever since, because music is such a kind of part of the Welsh culture, strong part of the Welsh culture, and everybody expects, you know, our opera singers to speak Welsh, and I can't.
Yeah, now this is the other thing.
Don't worry about that.
North Wales and South Wales. Yeah. Different versions of Welsh.
It's amazing.
My neighbour's mum from North Wales. Don't worry, I'll give you a few words before you go in. And my neighbour goes, yeah, but she only speaks North Welsh.
It's like a Geordie and a Cockney talking.
I think you've got to make...
They're both right.
Yeah.
So
No right or
make the
wrong.
decision. I'm not going to speak to people from North Wales ever again. Just go, right, I'm living in South Wales, that's it. I'm going to live in my own little cocoon.
You're going to learn the hard way. Know your audience. OK.
I love the people in North Wales.
So inclusive. Anyway.
Wel, mae Ioan, y tiwtor arall, comes from Swansea, ond yn byw yn y Gogledd, a dwi'n dod o'r Gogledd, but we'll be teaching the South Walian course because most of you are from South Wales. Yeah.
Weirdly enough, I do pick up and I tend to use the North Walian a lot because I find it a lot easier.
We're not going to get bogged down at all in grammar. We really aren't. It's about cyfathrebu, communication, a joio.
Perffaith.
Perffaith.
Da iawn.
Reit te, pwy arall sy'n dod efo ni? Who else is joining us?
Right, and I've got a clue. Mae un, cael cant cap chwarae gêm rygbi gyda Gymru.
Ydy. Ac mae o wedi bod ar Celebrity Big Brother.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Did he?
Yeah, and he's a big Welsh rugby star.
Ydy.
There we go.
Ydy, legend.
We know who he is right now, don't we?
Gareth Thomas.
Gareth Thomas, a.k.a. Alfie. Now, he's not here, is he?
Di ddim yma.
No.
Ond dwi'n siŵr bod o'n edrych ymlaen. Wyt ti, Gareth?
Well, I'm looking forward to the programme, but dysgu Cymraeg, innit? Can't wait to get to Forest and start learning the lingo, like.
Mae Ed wedi paratoi rap am Cariad at iaith. Watch this.
Yn barod am ei taith mag I Cariad at iaith, draw yn Forest bell, mewn pa bell, with seleb gyda Nia Parry, yn dysgu treigladau a geiriau di-ri.
Geiriau di-ri.
D-Rig.
Mae'n great.
I love Ed. We're going to go for a break now, guys.
Ydyn.
Because, hey, you've taught loads of people Welsh, haven't you? Do you remember this one? Pen toss time, guys. Pen toss time.
Dwi'n cofio hon. Pwy ydy hon? Mae hi newyddiadurwr, journalist ac yn gyn-olygydd, ex-editor of The Independent on Sunday, a doedd hi ddim y person hawsa i ddysgu Cymraeg iddi.